Howdy y'all, Fuzzy Biker out here at the Boots Court Hotel. That's my room right there. That's my hot rod, Royal Enfield Super Meteor 350. But let's take a walk kind of here and just kind of get a look at this. These are the first four original rooms. This hotel was put up by Arthur and Ida Boots in 1939. His brother had done one earlier in 1930, apparently, and on Route 54. This is on Route 66, America's famous Route 66. Anyway, 1939 they did the first four rooms, and then they added four more rooms on the back side of this. So this is, each one of these has two rooms in it, and then the carport in between. The idea was you could come in here, have a room, and park your car under the carport, and every room had a radio. That was part of the ad. Every room has a radio. But check that out. This green neon, they call this kind of an Art Deco or modern streamline design. Excuse me. Kind of cool though, isn't it? I think it's very attractive in that sense. So 13 units total. They did this, the first four, the second four, and by the mid 40s they did the ones on the end over yonder. They had a total of 13 units by the time they were done. Initially there was a gas station right here on the front the first few years, and that was taken out and they put the office in right here. So this is isn't that pretty? Hope that's showing up with the neon, the green neon, and then there's this kind of a tile border all the way around the edge. It's, if you're right below the green neon, there's a tile border. Now, apparently, for a while, there was he owned a diner across the road that was in the same style. Now, I don't know if that was in that direction or over here, but there's a sign right there. Boots Court, radio in every room, it says right there. So anyway, here's the other side of it. So four more rooms on this side. So you access the room, you'd go in there and book yourself a room. You'd park your car right in here, and this is one room right here, room number one as a matter of fact, and then here's the second room, and that'd be the dividing line. So you'd park your car there, they'd park their car over here. Today they just opened the visitor center over yonder. It's kind of got that building right there in front of us. It's got a like a store and, you know, all kinds of souvenir shop, all that neat stuff in there. And it's kind of built in a similar style, but not the same, I don't think. Kind of cool here. They've got this supposed billboard right here. And then there's the old-fashioned police car right there. That's kind of neat, isn't it? Now, I'm going to have breakfast. There's a breakfast place over yonder. Then there's an ice cream shop behind that, and that's where I had that's where I had my supper this evening, ice cream and a hamburger. Over yonder is the courthouse. You can't see it, of course, but anyway, here's a kind of a better view of it. I hope that all shows up. I'll put some pictures that I took during the day on here, right through here right now. And it was a neat little motorcycle ride. I come from southwest Iowa. This is in southwest Missouri. So it took me about 6 hours to bike the, I think it was 350 miles all the way down here. Motorcycle ride. It was a beautiful day for a ride too. But just check that out. Isn't that neat? So each one of these was a carport. So you know, the radio in every room, you need a carport for your car. Think of how many, 80 years, think how many people have stayed here. And at one point, I guess this was considered in the top 10 of the most neglected roadside attractions in America. It had just been let go so bad. At one point they were going to build a Walgreens here, and the town had outrage and fought that. The guy that was going to do that, after that he just neglected the property and it just kind of sat there for years and was falling apart. For a while it was, you know, it was one of those single occupancy rental places where you could rent a room for a month or at a time. And then I don't know what happened. I couldn't find really any of the info. I'll go over and ask the lady tomorrow maybe, or the guy whoever mans that building over yonder, about how it got put back together and restored to this shape. But anyway, here I am now. Let's go and I'll show you my room. Kind of cool, isn't it? Check that out. There's the hot rod motorcycle. We'll just leave that right there. They claim they've never had any trouble. I got a little bit of a mess in the room there. Now I have not cleaned the room up, so forgive me for my sins. Okay, this is what you got. You come in the door. This room has hardwood floors. I'm guessing they all do. 2 beds. This is my motorcycle luggage. I've got that right there. This used to be the heater. The current heater is over there. That's my Royal Enfield Cardinal jacket. So the furniture, your little desk, my helmet. There is the radio. You know, so the radio in every room, right? There's the old alarm clock if you need to set yourself up an alarm clock. There is no phone in here. There is no microwave. There's no refrigerator. The fanciest thing you got in here is that air conditioner heater combo over yonder, that alarm clock, and that hot rod radio, which I haven't even turned on yet. I wonder how that works. Yeah, that's not 1940s music, by golly. How come? And interestingly enough, they have Wi-Fi, 5G Wi-Fi. Isn't that something? Closet right here, and then over here is the restroom. So kind of a Art Deco-y, you know, cast iron sink, tile shower. No light in there though, by golly. Pretty nifty, huh? There's another look of it. Nice clean towels. Anyway, it's all been redone. It's all pretty cool. I like the furniture. I think it was $100 to stay here for the night with everything. Oh, $110, maybe $111. So, you know, kind of fun, kind of fun. And it's on Route 66. So, you know, hey, hope you enjoyed that. Let me know what you think. Life is good. Wahoo.